Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today's topic is best face oils to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. All you need to know about anti-wrinkle face oils. Which anti-wrinkle oil is best for your face? If you're looking for a solution to prevent or reduce fine lines and wrinkles, there are certainly plenty of skincare products out there to choose from. So many. In fact, it's all too easy to get lost in the choice. Should you go for the cream enriched with hyaluronic acid, the serum with vitamin C, or the latest anti-aging face gel? That's all the buzz. If your priority is natural skincare products that use the very best plant-derived active ingredients and are kind to your skin, your health, and the planet, look no further than botanical oils. We have selected some of the most effective ones we know, which can be incorporated into your skincare routine to help soften fine lines and wrinkles and slow down their appearance. Some face oils are not only recommended for softening wrinkles and delaying the signs of skin aging, they are also able to stimulate collagen production, even out, and improve skin tone, reduce inflammation, promote cell renewal, and protect against environmental aggressors. Argan oil, perhaps the ultimate wrinkle fighting oil. Berber women have been using argan oil for centuries and with good reason. This natural oil is packed with vitamin E as well as omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish cells and help to repair and regenerate the skin. Sweet almond oil helps to soften facial lines and has a soft texture that gives a velvety finish to the skin. It improves the blemish, strengthens, nourishes, and prevents dryness. Rosehip oil. This botanical oil is particularly rich in polyunsaturated essential fatty acids, which explains why it boasts both regenerating and antioxidant properties. It effectively fights wrinkles, making it ideal for use on mature skin. Evening primrose oil. This plant-based oil is an excellent source of linoleic and gamma-linoleic acid, two nutrients that work to rebuild the skin barrier, encourage epidermal cell renewal, and slow down the effects of skin aging. Borage oil, a precious anti-wrinkle oil rich in linoleic acid and vitamin A, D, E, and K, consistents that give it skin-forming benefits. At what age should you start using pro-aging face oils? Anti-wrinkle face oils not only help to fight skin sagging when used on mature skin, they also help to limit and delay the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on younger skin. There are even oils that can be used to tackle skin concerns such as blemishes, dryness, or excess sebum. So it's fair to say that whatever your age and stage in life, there's face oil that will match your skin needs. For young problem skin or Nigella, as also known as black seed oil. For combination and oily skin, jojoba, white tea, sesame. For dry skin, apricot, sweet almond, argan. For mature skin, argan, rosehip, borage, evening primrose. But there's more to fighting wrinkles than using effective skincare products. And the way to care for your skin is to get plenty of good sleep to help repair your skin overnight. Make sure you also provide it with plenty of proteins, plenty of protection against the very damaging effect of ultraviolet rays. I hope you like the video. Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.